Hi everyone, let's see how you can uninstall Microsoft Office 365 from your Windows PC or laptop. To get started, simply head over to this webpage from the link given in the video description, then scroll down a bit and click on Uninstall. At this point, checkmark this box and click on Open Get Help. Once here, click on Yes and wait for the uninstallation process to finish. You should never uninstall Office via Control Panel or Windows settings, as because leftovers usually remain, especially in the form of registry keys and system folders. So once done, you'll get a similar message. Now close everything, restart your computer and you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.